Welcome to Cooking in a Minute. Today, we're making blueberry cream muffins, a delightful treat perfect for breakfast or a snack. Let's start with the ingredients. 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 6 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 2 cups milk, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. For the filling, you'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 egg, 1/3 cup sugar, and a dash of salt. First, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. In another bowl, beat the eggs, milk, and butter. Then stir into the dry ingredients until moistened. Fold in the blueberries and spoon the mixture into greased muffin cups. Next, beat the cream cheese, egg, sugar, and salt for the filling, and add a tablespoon to each muffin cup. Top with the remaining batter. Bake at 375 for 18 to 20 minutes. Once done, let them cool for 10 minutes before removing from the pans. Enjoy these creamy, berry-filled muffins, a perfect start to your day.